Right, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to design the specialist doctor page. So let's select the favorite page and duplicate it. Alt K, then we drag to the right and keep it there. And select it, rename it to specialist. Okay. And then here, also edit the favorite to specialist. Select the icon and the text and give it to 10. Okay. Now select the inner frames and delete them. Let's select a frame of dimension 170 by 170 and change the fill to this and give it corner radius of 15. Okay, so let's go to our plugins, go to our first 5 icons and we search for health. I'm going to make use of the one we used before. It is this. Okay, let's search for tooth again. Make use of that, select it to add it to your frame. Let's search for eye, add it. We're going to use the other plugin to search for remaining icons. So let's go to our feather icon this time and let's search for brain. Okay, if we cannot get it there, then we use Figduo as the master of all plugins to search for the rest. So let's search for brain again from Figduo. Let's see if we can get it perfect. We can make use of this, set it. Alright, then let's search for child. Okay, that's fine. Mouth. Exploded. Still waiting for it. Internet is a bit slow. Mouth. It's taking forever. It's taking time to load the icons, so I'm going to skip that. Then we'll come back there later. So let's take our scale to an crazy size to that. So that's 90 by 90. I'll scale it down to 45. Okay, 58 is okay. Alright, so we select the icon and update the color back to our global color. Then we take our text tool and type cardio specialist. Then we'll take it down to body text from our typography, body text, and put it in the frame. Alt key to make a duplicate, or just write number of doctors. Okay, so double tap, See, we have 345 doctors. Alright, so we select the tooth, text spreader, and change their fill to our global color, which is this. Okay, and the spacing to 10. So we have that there. And the second text here, we take the opacity down to 80. Okay. Alright, so we are done with the first card. We are going to duplicate the card and bring it here. So this time is going to be another one. So it's going to be the tooth. So we select this and delete it. That will bring the tooth inside the frame. Take it with the frame. And the dimension, we keep it to 58. And align it to the center of the frame. It's not inside this frame, it's supposed to be inside this frame. Alright, so double tap the tooth and also update the color to that. So this time is going to be dental specialist. Then you update the number to another number. And here also we change the background fill to one of our global color. Okay, so Alt key duplicates one more, and this time we're going to delete the icon and add brain inside. Remember to take it with the frame that come with it. Alright, and I'll update it to 54 as well, 58, pardon, and put it into the center of the frame like that, and the fill color to white. Okay, align it to the center, and this time is going to be brain specialist, and align it to the center of the frame, and also update the number to that. So let's select the card and also update the background fill. Okay, from the list of our colors we can choose another color. Alright, so proceed to duplicate that again. Let's delete this. Then this time we take the eye and change the dimension to 58, and also take it inside the frame. Okay, then we delete this. Then the iframe, keep it somewhere around there, and also change the fill to height. Okay, let's bring the child here and take this one here, and also change the fill for our global color list. This time we'll choose another one. Okay, update the color as well to another color. Alright, so let's go to the next one. Alt key to make another duplicate. Then this child, will change the dimension to 58 as well. Then we'll go there and also change the fill to height. That will bring it to the frame. Excuse me. Ctrl Z. Select this one, delete it. That will bring this one here. So you can play around with the vertical spacings and make sure it's even Okay, it's very important. So now let's select the card and also update the background fill to another color from our library. Okay, so next let's duplicate that again to the right. Okay, let's this time we'll look for, let's say special needs, right? First icon. Well, okay, we can put this one and customize it. I'm not seeing it. Okay, let's add again. Alright, this time let's delete the child icon and select this, change the dimension to 58 and also take it here inside the frame. Okay, so take it up and change the field to that, and this time is going to be special needs specialist. Okay, so this way this text will go up a bit and the number of doctors will come down a bit. I'll change that to 110. So this is going to be the child specialist, so among others, right? Okay, so let's select the card and also update the color, so another color from our library. Let's choose this one this time. Okay, so we are done with all the cards and I think it's enough like this. So just select the first two, align them properly and distribute their horizontal spacing to 20 and group them together. Select the second set, horizontal spacing to 20 and also group them together. Third set, align them first, the horizontal spacing to 20 and also group them together. And now we can select them all together and distribute their vertical spacing to 40. So that's better. Alright, so we are done with the specialist doctor page. In the next lesson, we will design the top doctor page. See you there.